Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this VW Passat. From any screen, click nav, then we need new destination, which is the one in the bottom left hand corner, to city. To enter the postcode, which is the quickest, you need to press postcode there. So that's not on anything at the moment. Onto ABC, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. Then we need to go here, 1, 2, 3. Sorry about that. So we're PR5, and then because there's only 2 numbers, you need to click that button there, and it gives you the opportunity to put a space in, and then onto 4JS. That's it, that's us. OK, and then start. That's it. That's how to set the sat nav.